Okay guys, so for this second part, what we're going to do is cut out an internal thread, and I'm going to make it match the first thread that I've done. So I'm going to use the same profile, same diameters and everything like that. But obviously this time we're working on inside of the hole for this nut shaped component. Okay, so we start it in exactly the same way. We go to pick a plane, doesn't really matter which one we pick. I'm just going to click here, go sketch, sketch view. I need to draw a path for the helix to go along. So I'm going to start over here and come through to the other side. The length of it doesn't really matter too much, but I need to make sure I get this height right. So I want to put 10 here. So this matches the outside diameter of my external thread. And again, we're going to add a center line so that everything's ready for our helix. Click OK. And then we're going to go to sweep. It looks cool, sweep. You can see it's starting here. Change the pitch so it's the same, 5. And then we're going to sketch. I'm going to sketch our rectangle again. Okay, so we've got 2.5, so it's a perfect square. You see everything's all equal. And it's just going to cut away now from this hexagon nut shaped component. Click OK. Again, it's trying to add. Let's remove the material. We should end up with this cutout in the middle of it. That's all good, but we also want to show the trajectory curve again. So I'm going to click on this. So it's showing us how that component is moving. Click OK. And now to be ready to join these two components together, I'm going to add one further thing to this. So I'm going to click up here on point. The first thing I'm going to do is click on this curve. And then I'm going to click Control and click on this front plane here. And so that will just give me a point that is on that curve and exactly on that plane. It will be useful for later on. So I'm going to click OK. You can see I've got a datum point there, and I've got the sweep path. If you want to hide the sweep path, we can do. We can just click on it, hide it. Don't necessarily need it now in this component, so we're just going to leave it like that. Okay, so the next video we'll be having a look at is the assembly.